Hello student, today I am going to solve NIS 316 Geography question paper of February 2021. This question paper consists of 28 questions. Section A has 20 questions and section B has 2 options. Answer any one option of 4 questions. Total marks is 80 and time is 3 hours only. Question 1. Name the main gas which contributes maximum share in the atmosphere. Answer nitrogen. Question 2. Define the term relative humidity. Answer the amount of water vapor present in air expressed as a percentage of the amount needed for saturation at the same temperature. Question 3. Why is the majority of the female migrants belong to intra-state migration? Answer marriage. Question 4. Why has Kerala favorable sex ratio? Answer. Kerala has highest literacy rate. Question 5. Mention any 4 features of Shivalik range of Himalaya. Answer. Features of Shivalik range. 1. Southernmost range are belt of Himalayan range. 2. Runs parallel to main Himalayan ranges. 3. Outermost ranges of Himalayas. 4. Altitude varies from 900 meters to 1100 meters. Question 6. State any 2 priorities of national water policy adopted in 1987. Answer. Water is a prime natural resource, a basic human need, and a precious national asset. Planning and development of water resources need to be governed by national perspectives. The prime requisite for resource planning is a well-developed information system. Question 7. Differentiate between degradation and aggradation. Answer. Aggradation is an increase in elevation of land, usually in river system, due to deposition of sediments. Degradation happens because of erosional activities of mainly wind and water. It refers to the lowering of a landform through erosional process. Question 8. Differentiate between weather and climate. Answer. Weather reflects short-term conditions of the atmosphere, while climate is the average daily weather for an extended period of time at a certain location. Question 9. Explain the climatic conditions required for paddy cultivation. Answer. Rice crop needs a hot and humid climate. It is best suited to regions which have high humidity, prolonged sunshine, and an assured supply of water. The average temperature required throughout the life period of the crop ranges from 21 to 37 degrees C. Maximum temperature which the crop can tolerate 40 degrees C to 42 degrees C. Question 10. Describe any 4 features of terrestrial ecosystem. Answer. An ecosystem found only on landforms. 6 primary terrestrial ecosystems exist: tundra, taiga, temperate, deciduous forest, tropical forest, grassland, and desert. Terrestrial ecosystems are distinguished from aquatic ecosystem by the lower availability of water and the consequent importance of water as a limiting factor. Terrestrial ecosystems are characterized by greater temperature fluctuations on both a diurnal and seasonal basis than occur in aquatic ecosystem in similar climate. Question 11. Explain any 4 branches of physical geography. Answer. Geomorphology. Geomorphology is concerned with understanding the surface of the earth. Hydrology. Hydrology is predominantly concerned with the amounts and quality of water. Glaciology. Glaciology is the study of glaciers and ice sheets. Biogeography. Biogeography is the science which deals with geographic patterns of species distribution. Question 12. How do oceanic currents influence climate? Explain with examples. Answer. Ocean currents act much like a conveyor belt, transporting warm water and precipitation from the equator towards the poles and cold water from the poles back to the tropics. Thus, ocean currents regulate global climate, helping to counteract the uneven distribution of solar radiation reaching Earth's surface. Question number 13. Explain with examples the causes of floods in India. Answer. Deforestation, poor urban drainage, buildings of dams, monsoons, inadequate town planning, overpopulation. Question 14. Describe any 6 methods to control soil erosion of different types in different regions of the world. Answer 1. Biodegradable erosion control mat. 2. Crop rotation. 3. Conservation tillage. 4. Counter farming. 5. Strip farming. 6. Terrace farming. Question 15. Describe the significance and distribution of petroleum in India. Answer. Significance. Petroleum or mineral oil is the next major energy source in India after coal. It provides fuel for heat and lighting, lubricants for machineries, and raw material for a number of manufacturing industries. Petroleum refineries act as a nodal industry for synthetic textile, fertilizer, and numerous chemical industries. Distribution of petroleum. 1. The state of Maharashtra, Assam, Gujarat, and Rajasthan accounts for 90% of the country's petroleum production. 2. The three main basins are A. Kombe Basin, B. Upper Assam, C. Bombay High. 3. The major oil wells in Upper Assam are found in Naharkatia, Moran, Digboi, Sibsagar, and Rudrasagar region. It has to be noted that Digboi is the oldest oil field in India. 4. The major oil wells that are in the Kombe Basin are Ankleshwar, Kosamba, Dhalka, Naugagam, Mahesena, and Subhasan. 5. Bombay High lies at distance of 167 km to the northwest of Mumbai. 6. Besides the major basins, there are some other areas where we can find abundant petroleum reserve. 7. They are Ganga Valley, Andaman Island, Krishna Godavari Basin, Kaveri Basin, Tripura Nagaland Belt, and Rajasthan. Question 16. Explain any 6 factors responsible for uneven distribution of horizontal temperature over the surface of the earth. Factors responsible for the uneven distribution of temperature are as follow. 1. Latitude. 2. Land and sea contrast. 3. Relief and altitude. 4. Ocean currents. 5. Winds. 6. Vegetation cover. 7. Nature of the soil. 8. Slope and aspect. Question 17. Why is soil conservation essential? Explain any 4 methods adopted in India to conserve soil. Answer. Soil conservation is important because it saves the soil through harsh weather and stops erosion. While soil is conservating, it's getting more nutrients. The more we conserve soil, the more crop grow. Then we can sell the crops and get money. Methods are normally adapted for conserving soil. 1. Afforestation. 2. Checking overgrazing. 3. Constructing dams. 4. Changing agriculture practices. 1. Crop rotation. 2. Strip cropping. 3. Use of early maturing varieties. Question 18. Mention any 6 types of cities according to their functions along with examples. Answer. Administrative New Delhi, Industrial Jamshedpur, Transport Kandala Kochi, Commercial Town Kolkata, Mining Town Raniganj, Cantonment Meerut, Educational Roorkee, Religious Puri. Question 19. The following 4 geographical features are marked by A, B, C, and D on the given political outline map of the world. Identify these features with the help of the following information and write their correct name in your answer book. 1. Volcanic Mountain, Andes Mountain. B. Plateau, Kimberley Plateau. C. Grassland, Savannah Grassland. Desert, Mojave Desert. Question 20. The following 4 geographical features are marked by A, B, C, and D on the given political outline map of India. Identify these features with the help of the following information and write their correct name in your answer book. A. Mountain range, Karakoram Range. River, Kaveri River. Dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam. Oil field, Digboi. Section B, option 1. Question number 21. Write 4 planning level in a chronological order from lower to higher level. Answer. Various levels of planning in India are local area planning, block or micro level planning, district level planning, state level planning, and national level planning. Question 22. Explain use of maps in local area planning. Answer. They are used for the identification of landforms, resources, human settlements, and site-specific facilities and amenities. Maps are also used to show design of building, transport routes, and planning for the location of various activities such as markets, industries, schools, parks, playgrounds, etc. Question 23. Describe any 4 precautions need to be observed to overcome difficulties while collecting information? Answer 1. The collection of information need to be done in friendly way. 2. The use of words and sentences should not sound unfamiliar and causing hurt to the sentiment of the respondent. 3. Social unexpected questions need to be avoided. 4. The respondent should not be kept in dark about the purpose of the field work. Question 24. Explain any 4 steps for slum improvement as suggested under slum area development in different cities. Suggested planning priorities for the improvement of slum areas. A. Making provisions for basic social facilities and amenities. B. Initiating welfare works of rehabilitation and resettlement. C. Facilitating economic pursuits for self-employment. Option 2. Question 21. Name the 4 places of the highest order of Hindu pilgrimage. Answer. The 4 dhams are Badrinath, Dwarka, Puri, Rameswaram. Question 22. The Mountscape and its high Himalayan peak are not only attracting the foreigner but even Indian climbers. Support the statement. The Mountscape and its high Himalayan peak are not only attracting the foreigners but even Indian climbers. Nan Singh and Kishan Singh mentioned earlier were the first Indian mountaineer. Their history does not end with Tenzing Norgay on the Everest concourse. A great number of our countrymen and women and the foreigner have been successfully climbers. Question number 23. Describe the role of air transport in promoting tourism in India. Answer. Role of air transport in tourism. Air transport is very important for India for tourism purpose. Air transport is the quickest, most modern, safe and latest addition to the modes of transport. India is very far from its main tourist market, that is West Europe and USA. The water transport may take several months. Question 24. The prospects for future expansion of tourism in India are limitless. Support the statement. Answer. India is a large market for travel and tourism. It offers a diverse portfolio of nice tourist products: cruises, adventure, medical, wellness, sports, MICE, ecotourism, film, rural, and religious tourism. India has been recognized as a destination for spiritual tourism for domestic and international tourists. The launch of several branding and marketing initiatives by the Government of India, such as Incredible India and Atithi Devo Bhava, has provided a focused impetus to the growth. The Indian government has also released a fresh category of visa, the medical visa or M visa, to encourage medical tourism in the country.